What's up, everybody? It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me, y'all. Of course, that is me. This video is a retake from last week. I made a blackberry strawberry cobbler, the individual ones, and the camera wasn't on me. Well, it wasn't in the bowl. So I'm going to redo this video and hope you all enjoy. I did write out the recipe when I post the pictures on Facebook, so this is the video to go along with it. So you'll be able to see what I did, how I did it. So like I say, these are going to be individual blackberry strawberry cobblers. All right, let's get busy. All right, let's make the filling for our blackberry strawberry cobblers. Like I say, we redoing this video because my other video that I made last week was not in the camera. So in my bowl right here, I have a half a cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. In there, I'm putting in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so that's what I'm putting in this right here. Taking my spoon, stirring this all together. Now I'm going to take this mixture and I'm going to put it in the 2 cups of blackberries and the 1.5 cup of chopped strawberries. We're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes, 15-30 minutes, so the sugar can make the berries macerate, which means draw the moisture out of it. And we're also going to put some lemon juice and vanilla extract in there. So this is our sugar, cornstarch, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Okay, put that to the side. Right here, okay, right there is my 2 cups of fresh blackberries, as y'all can see. That's my 2 cups of blackberries. Here go my 1.5 cups of chopped strawberries. Okay, now let's make sure they all mixed up like this. Okay, now let's put in there, this is the juice of 1 lemon. Okay, the juice of 1 lemon. Okay, we're gonna put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's more than a teaspoon, but y'all get the hint. And here go our cornstarch sugar mixture. Okay. All right. Let's mix this all together. Let me mix this all together. All right, got that all mixed up. We're gonna put that to the side, and let's start on our cobbler batter. All right, the cobbler batter. Let's put in 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay. Let's put in 1/2 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar. Right here is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, that's our dry. We're making this type of cobbler. You also can do like the biscuit type cobbler, which is pretty much traditional, because cobbler, when you make cobblers come from like cobblestone. When you think about biscuits and the way biscuits like a cobbler on top, I mean like cobblestones on top. So that's what this originally supposed to be. That's where cobbler come from. Or you can do the pie crust. You can make a regular pie crust and you can use that as your cobbler topping. But right here, we're doing the cake batter topping. cake batter, kind of like cobbler. Okay, so got that dry right there. Okay, in there. See, you can just mix everything together. In there, we're about to put, this is, what I want to put first? Yeah. Let's start off with a half a cup. Just put the whole cup of buttermilk. 1 cup of buttermilk. 1 whole egg. And put it all at one time. You can mix this all together. A teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. What else I got? And a half a stick of melted butter. And I think that's it. Okay. Get your whisk. You don't need no mixer. I got my little small whisk. And mix this all together. Ooh. Make some flour everywhere. Our batter is done. We're going to set that to the side. I got my oven preheated to 375 degrees. These are the ramekins we're going to use. See these right here? So everybody can have their individual cobbler. So these are 8-ounce ramekins. I have different shapes, different sizes. So we're going to use these here that's made like a little casserole dish. And we're going to butter each one of them. So I took out 4. I might need 5. So just butter them up. I got my ramekin right here. Hope y'all can see it. Right there. All right. So I'm going to get me a scoop. Get me a good scoop of my berries. Put it in there. This is a 1/3 cup scooper. So put a little more in here. The berries and the juice. Like that. Okay. Put a little more juice in there. I want that juice. Okay. All right. Now, let's take the batter. So we're going to take the batter and we're going to put some batter on top. Just like so. Spread it out. Spread out your batter to the edges. Okay. My hands clean, y'all. I'm doing a lot of touching because I'm blind. But trust me, my hands are clean. So I want to take, I'm going to go like this. Take my fork, take my spoon and smooth it out. Get a little more. Yeah, all right. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like that. Gonna put it on the cookie sheet, and let me do the rest of them. Be right back. So got them on a cookie sheet. Now you want to take a teaspoon of sugar and sprinkle on top of each one of them. 1 teaspoon of sugar. There they go. Got them ready to go in the oven. About to put them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes till the brown get top, and you're going to see they are bubbly. Make sure you put them in a baking sheet because they are going to spill over. That's just how cobblers do. It's going to start bubbling, and they're going to start spilling Just a little bit. All right, so see y'all in about 25 to 30 minutes. They've been in for 30 minutes. I'm about to take them out the oven. Gotta be real careful. Very, very careful. Oh, shucks. What I meant. There we go. Alexa, stop timer. So they have been in there for 30 minutes. They should be good and brown on top. Let me see where I'm at. Can y'all see them? Hope y'all can see them. Hope my camera's set right. There we go. Ooh, we gotta let them cool off. See how you gotta you gotta make sure you put them on a cookie tray, because see, they bubble, and you don't want that to get in your oven. You will have smoke all in your house and a lot to clean. So there we go. I'm gonna get a hot, wet towel and clean them up, and I'm gonna present them and gonna taste it. Okay? Like I say, this is a redo video. First video I made a few weeks ago, last week or whatever, my camera was not positioned on the counter. It was positioned on my stomach and chest. I don't know how I made the mistake, but blind people make mistakes too. So there we go. All right, be right back. All right, there they go. Got them on the cooling rack. Got a blackberry on top of each one. The one I'm going to eat in the middle got a strawberry on top. That's in the 4-ounce or 6-ounce ramekin. Y'all see them? Look at there. There go our strawberry blackberry cobblers. Yeah, buddy. I would eat it with some ice cream. I have some black cobbler ice cream made by Bluebell, but I don't want all those calories. So if you all make this recipe and you want to, my throat, you want to eat it with ice cream, that's a good thing. Ice cream or some good homemade whipped cream. Do that. All right, there they go. Let me taste one for y'all. All right. How easy that was? Simple, simple, simple. Take my shades off. You know, I don't like to eat with them on. How y'all doing? See there? You didn't have to cook these berries or anything. You just put them in the like peach cobbler, like you cook peaches. But the berries, you just gotta you can buy them frozen or fresh. Of course, I bought these fresh. And it's also strawberry season in Louisiana. So let me eat my strawberry that I had on top. So sweet. Very sweet. Now, you can also put your cobblers in these ramekins here. These are 6-inch ramekins, I think. 6 or 4. So, see my crust? Y'all see that? That's why I like to do mine for 30 minutes, so my top can be a little crusty. All right. I didn't get no ice cream with this here. I got milk. Y'all. I can't tilt. Can I tilt it? Y'all see that? Y'all see inside there? The cornstarch thickens it. Perfect. All right. So, if you want to do a dinner party and have individual cobblers for people, follow that recipe. All right, y'all. It's the Blackberry Chef Zeke. Y'all see me make it. Now go make you some. Bye.